Still relying on clunky old tools and manual Excel sheets to manage your maintenance? Is this a sensor setup or my weekend DIY nightmare? What do you mean I still don't know what's wrong? Smart maintenance starts here. Meet Groundup.ai, cognitive maintenance without the headache. Say goodbye to complex installs and endless waiting. Groundup.ai is the end-to-end solution that's as quick as it is smart. Setup time? Less than 10 seconds. No wires, no nonsense. Wait, that's it? No wires, no manuals, no calling customer support? What's the catch? This is amazing! Now I can get insights instantly. Our engineers are finally free to focus on more important tasks. Finally, something that makes my job easier instead of harder. You're telling me it doesn't just give numbers, but it actually tells me what to fix? Why didn't we have this ages ago? Forget about raw data. Groundup.ai gives you actionable insights that even your grandma can understand. Not only does Groundup.ai keep your machines running, it saves your budget. Imagine fewer repairs, longer machine life, and a maintenance team that actually gets to take lunch breaks. Yes, I know, we're saving money. Don't faint. I can actually check machine health from anywhere? No more climbing into the control room. Show off. Join the maintenance revolution, Groundup.ai. Simple setup, real insights, and no hassle. Visit Groundup.ai to claim your demo and start your maintenance journey today. And say goodbye to endless maintenance headaches. Hello? Tech support? I think I'm trapped. Or you could stick with that.